you don't master your mind will master you. It will whisper distractions disguised as logic. It will manufacture limitations and feed them to you as facts. It will turn comfort into a cage and fear into a compass. Your mind, undisciplined, will become your greatest enemy, but your mind, trained, focused, aligned, becomes your most powerful weapon. Every empire begins in the imagination of one person who refused to surrender to their internal chaos. Carnegie, Edison, Lincoln, Disney. They weren't born superhuman. They didn't wait for motivation. They didn't wait for permission. They weren't lucky. They were clear. They understood this simple truth. Success is not a reaction. It is an intention. It is a decision. It is a war between the lower mind and the higher self, and only one will win. So let me ask you, who's in charge right now? When you open your eyes in the morning, who's commanding your thoughts? Are you flooding your mind with clarity or letting it drift into doubt? Are you choosing your focus or letting it be stolen by noise, by social media, by other people's agendas? Because if you don't take the wheel, your mind will, and it will take you down every road that leads to nowhere.